Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of NGL Energy Partners, or ticker symbol NGL. And so I wanted to go over this for a couple reasons. One, because it was requested by multiple viewers related to trades being made on Capitol Hill. Also, the chart just looks pretty interesting. So in looking at it, we are looking here at the weekly time scale because I wanted to go over a few levels that might serve as resistance and or consolidation over the next few months. Who knows? Also, I wanted to go over a level to the downside that might serve as support. And so basically, if we look to the upside at $6.24, we see basically serving as support around September 2017, and then more recently, March 2020, there was a gap down with a price just above $6.24. Before that drop down, coming up, serving as some temporary resistance, and now trading below that at a closing price on December 15th of $4.98, going slightly above $5 in the after hours. And then so the next level to the upside goes back to, let's see, December 2012, January 2013, having served as support, $9.13. Did break below that over here, but then in the range of, let's see, 2018 to 2019 did serve as support here. Again in 2019, later in the year, before breaking lower. So I do see that right around $9 and really ranging up to around $11 with all of this sideways consolidation here. I do think that range, $9 to $11, will serve as notable resistance, and price will likely be consolidating there before moving higher. If it does even get up that high, needing to get above 624, consolidate there with that serving as support before moving higher. But I did also want to point out the possibility of this going down with it possibly having some support at $2.72, marked by this green line, based on the range between 2015, the end of 2015, and looks like May, or the end of April 2016, there was some consolidation right around 272, so I do think that could be some support. Also, having served as resistance in this area in 2021, I do think that will be a level to consider. But if we look at this on the daily time frame to look at the more recent price action, there are a few things that stand out to me here. One being that there was this uptrending consolidation, which I would think would break to the downside, as uptrending consolidation tends to be like a bear flag that would break down. But what we saw over the past couple trading days was a break to the upside, going to as high as $5.06, closing at $4.98 on Friday. So that would be right around here where the cursor is. And so what I would expect is a pullback to either 462, which was the high, let's see, I believe on June 31st, and then also let's see, $4.49, having some tops around there, some wicks pierce that level. So I do think 450 to 460 could serve as support, really because there was a breakout of this channel, but what we want to see now is confirmation that the top of it will be serving as support. And so with that, we do want to see about a 50-cent pullback, and so that is what I am expecting to see. And it's possible that the support will break and it will move back into the channel. But if it does hold, I do think that moving up to 624 and possibly higher could be happening. And also do want to point out that looking at the RSI, ranging from September 26th to, let's see, November 14th, we see lower lows forming in the RSI while we have higher lows forming in the stock price, and that represents hidden bullish divergence, suggesting a move to the upside, which we may have seen, going up to $5. So that might have been played out, but coming back to again 450, tested as support. I do think it could be moving higher. However, it could also trade back into this channel here. And on the note of political trades, it was mentioned that Pelosi had been buying this. I did not see any of that, so I'm not sure where the source is. I had looked at Capital Trades. I did see Mark Green has been making purchases of this over the past years, and his most recent purchase was, let's see if I can get it right here, on August 4th, and his price was $4.17. With that being said, if there are big buys being made at $4.17, that is, with the expectation that price will move a lot higher, especially because, from my understanding, there are some bills that will be put forward next year that could be beneficial to NGL, which I should mention is a partnership between energy industry, which transports, treats, recycles, and disposes of produced water generated as a part of energy production, and also related to crude oil, natural gas, liquid hydrocarbons, things like that. So with fossil fuels like natural gas and crude oil being down right now, this could be, a good position to establish in the year ahead. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.